At the start of the war between Ukraine and Russia, Russia has a big battle fleet, about 50 big warships, including their flagship, which is called the Moskva. Ukraine, your point, has no navy. They have a couple of patrol boats, maybe, nothing. Yet, in the first 6 months of the war, the Russian warships start sinking. And the Ukrainians, with no navy, sink the flagship of the Russian Black Sea Fleet, the Moskva. It's like the Moscow. That means Moscow. It'd be like sinking the aircraft carrier Washington. So how did they do it? They did it with superior intelligence, satellite reconnaissance, underwater drones, unmanned aircraft, and they put all that together to sink this Russian warship. And they sank, at this point, probably about half of the Black Sea Fleet, again, without a navy. So what do we take away from that? Number one, unmanned is here to stay. Number two, use of artificial intelligence and intelligence generally in war to pinpoint opponents, here to stay. Number three, defense matters. The Russians were blissfully unaware this was coming, didn't defend themselves adequately. And number four, where's the U.S. Navy in this regard? I think we are ahead in defending ourselves, and my evidence would be we were attacked in much the same way over the last year in the North Arabian Sea by a combination of different unmanned vehicles, mostly coming from the Houthis. We don't need to get into all this. But our defenses are pretty good. What we need to do, and I think this is the point of your question, and it's a good one, we need to be aware of the threat, increase our ability to get ahead of it defensively, and above all, in my view, get ahead of it offensively. You don't want to wait until the archer shoots you. You want to kill the archer before he can even pull the bow back. We're applying all those lessons to the war plans off of Taiwan.